Hello and welcome back to my channel, even though I haven't uploaded like a proper sit down video for ages. I'm going to do some makeup because I haven't got any on obviously, so that's why I'm doing a makeup video, but I wanted to start doing more videos again because I really miss doing them. Like recently I've just been uploading one like vlog style thing now and again, but I want to do more like what I used to do, like makeup videos, and like since it's getting to Christmas, some Christmas videos and stuff. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe something Halloweeny because it's October. Okay, so I'm going to start off with foundation. I'm using this foundation. I tested it on my channel for the first time ages ago. I'll link it in the description. It's when I used to do like videos all the time, but and when I had a camera, because I forgot to say I'm filming on my phone still because my laptop isn't fixed. I think I said this about like 9 months ago or something, but yeah, so I don't have a laptop, therefore I can't film on my camera because I can't edit it, if that makes sense, and upload it, but I can film on my phone, so if it's bad quality, it's not my fault. I think my favourite foundation is the Fenty Beauty one, but I don't wear it as often because it's expensive and I'm scared to wear it. But this one is like my everyday foundation and I love it. I wouldn't say it is long lasting, but I wouldn't say like it's, I don't know, I left a review on it. So I'm going to use this brush. It's just a stippling brush from Real Techniques because I do have some new beauty blenders. Actually, they're not beauty blenders, they're just the Real Techniques orange sponge things in my bag, but I literally haven't opened them, but I can't be bothered to go and wet them, so I'm rambling already. This is a new bottle because, and it lasts quite long too, because I can't remember what month I did my first impressions one of this, but this is my second bottle since, and it's like I only recently got it, so it does last a long time as well. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. It's probably a bit streaky because I did it with a brush. Normally I do it with a sponge, but I would recommend a sponge, but that's just my personal preference. It is a semi-matte finish, which is why it looks a bit thingy, but I put powder on top because I have really oily skin. If you've watched my videos before, you know that. But yeah, I think it's really good for $2.50, and it is medium coverage, but I think it gives like enough coverage where it like still covers but it still looks like skin, which is what I really like about it. So yeah, also I just dyed my hair like my roots last night, so if there's loads of black marks around here, that's why. There's also some on my ears, which is why I got this on, because it's bad. It's also on my neck, but yeah, that's another thing. I do have black hair. I had black hair in my video where I said I was going to start making more videos, which didn't happen, but it's going to happen now. And because I used to have, and it's grew a lot since I used to like make loads of videos. But yeah, so because I did have pink hair, which I made a few videos when I had pink hair, but then it faded to like a blonde, but I didn't make any videos when I had that hair. Just trying to find my brush. And then I just got bored of it and dyed it black. And I did have a blonde streak in it, but I dyed over it last night because I couldn't be bothered to separate the hair, and then I kind of regretted it, but it is what it is. Anyway, my powder that I'm using is the RCMA one, but it's just in this little pot thing. It's from this, but I don't know what that is. It's an old powder that I had, but I didn't have a container for the RCMA one, so I just put in the lid of this, and I'm just using the Real Techniques dual fibre face brush. It's just a big brush really, but I'm just going all over my face because, like I said, I have really oily skin, and if I don't put loads of powder on, it literally dies. But yeah, so I like this powder, but I don't know, it's like the only powder that I really ever use, because that's what I like about the Fenty Beauty foundation, because it dries like fully matte, so I don't need to put powder on, or like as much powder on, because I don't really like powder. because I inhale it and then it makes me cough. But yeah, so this is the powder that I use if I do use powder. I'm going to move on to eyebrows. I did an eyebrow tutorial, but everything that I do in that video has changed since, like the products that I use and everything, because I used to use the dark colour from the Shine XO palette, but it vanished. I don't know where it is, like literally I don't know where that palette went. But what I do use now is this. I did use like a little thing, but a little eyebrow palette, but the, what's it called, the like screws came out and the top came off, like what happened to my Soph nails palette. Like it just, but that's what happened to the eyebrow one. So now I just use any black because I've got black hair, so I just use this black from the Blush Tribe Neon Lights palette, which has been discontinued, but if you look on the website there should be one similar with like loads of different colours. I have used this in a few videos because I got it for my 17th birthday and it's in the thumbnail of that video, so if you recognise it, that's probably where it's from. And as for a brush, I just kind of use a mixture of brushes, like it just depends which one I can find first. I'll try and, right, okay, I found this one first. This isn't my favourite brush, it's the Morphe M165. It's really skinny, but I find it too, like, long. I've started growing my eyebrows back, so you can like kind of see them a bit, but if you want a full tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, then I will do an updated one, but I'm just going to do them off camera because I'm shaking. Okay, so they're completely different shapes, but let's ignore that because I literally haven't put makeup on in so long, because I got into the habit of just going out with like no eyebrows or anything. But yeah, so normally they're kind of similar, but they're not even similar today, so I think I'm going to do something a bit Halloween-y, so I'm going to do like oranges and maybe like reds. I don't know, I think I'm going to use, I don't know which palette to use. I think I'm going to use a mix of the Juvias Place Zulu palette and the first Soph Nails palette with Revolution. But I'm just going to start and go in with this yellow. Just using a fluffy, I literally use the same brush for every part of my eye and like every colour, it's so bad. I think I should buy like another brush, but this is the Kiko 56 brush, and I tried to buy a new one but I couldn't find it on the website, so I don't know if it was just out of stock or if it's been discontinued, because I know that Kiko bring out good stuff and then discontinue them, which is stupid, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in like the crease area. Just blending it upwards a bit as well, so it looks a bit like that. I'm not a makeup artist, I just do makeup the way I find works for me, so I'm just going to do the other eye now. I'm going to go in with the, which do I do first? I think I'm going to stick with the Zulu palette and go in with the orange, that one, quite pumpkin-y. And I'm going to focus it on like more of the outer part. And then I'm going to take the Soph X palette and I'm going to go in with this, like, I don't know what you would call that colour, and do like in the middle sort of thing to blend the orange in, if that makes sense. Oh my god, did you see that? Oh my god, it's got blue on now. Anyway, I've got blue nose, but that's fine. I don't even know where the blue came from. This like red sort of colour, just on the same brush, and focus that on the very out part. And then I'm going to take that same shade and I'm going to go underneath. I think I'm going to do the yellow from this palette again, just like continuing on from, this is more sunset than Halloween, but that's okay will make it Halloween. I might do black lips. I know that's not for everyone, but you could do like, I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to take a bit of white on the same brush just to blend out the edges as well. You can use any white, but I'm using the one from the Soph palette, and I'm just going to do above like where my eyebrow is, just to blend it. I'm going to do eyeliner, I think. Ooh, I might do a bit of glitter. Glitter sounds cool. I'm going to use this glitter. It's called Trixie, and it's by Give Face Cosmetics. I've also done a video on them, which was like over a year ago, but I'll link that down below as well. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I don't want to tip it out, but and I've also got the glue that goes with it. I think I'm just gonna put it in like the center, maybe, because I'm gonna put liner on as well. I would do it after the eyeliner, but then I hate when it goes on the eyeliner. But then I hate doing eyeliner over glitter because then it goes bumpy. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just going to put a bit of this on the back of my hand and just dab it a bit, and then put a bit on the centre. I didn't need as much as I put on my hand, but you know, I'm just using my finger to apply this. Ooh, I forgot how pretty this was. I'm going to put liner on now. The eyeliner I'm using is the one from the Pound Shop. I also did a test in £1 makeup. I'll link that down below because it's one of my favourite videos I did. I sometimes watch it myself. Okay, so this isn't the best eyeliner I've done in my life, but it's not the worst either. I'm going to use these lashes. I can't remember where I got them from. I think maybe Primark, but they just look like this. I've never opened them, so I don't know what they're like. I hope it comes with glue. Oh yeah, it does. It comes with glue. I don't have any lash glue. And the mascara I'm going to use is the Unforgettable mascara by Kiko. I bought this and I thought I picked up the waterproof one, but apparently I didn't. I don't even know if there is a waterproof one, but I'm sure it said waterproof, but it's not waterproof. I prefer waterproof mascaras. I don't know, just the way they apply, and my eyes water quite a lot sometimes, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to curl my lashes as well with these curlers. I need new ones, like literally not the best. So that's it with the mascara on. I do have quite long natural lashes, but I'm going to try and put these on anyway because I want to use them. They're only £3. So I'm going to do them off camera because I'm really bad at applying lashes. So I'll come back and if they're on, but if I can't get them on, I'm just going to leave them because I don't want to ruin my makeup. Ooh, they look really pretty. I like when they've got like an invisible band because it's so much easier to put them on. And that's the glue that comes with it. So I'm just going to put them on and then I'm going to decide a lip colour. I'm thinking maybe black because it's a Halloween tutorial thing. But you could do different ones if you wanted. Okay, so that's the lashes on. I really like them and they're really easy to apply. Oh, that corner hasn't stuck down. Yeah, they were really easy to apply, but this corner won't stick down. But anyway, let's just pretend that's stuck down. I'll stick down in a minute. But I really like them, and they're really light as well. They don't feel heavy, and they're really nice as well. And they're not too big and they're not too small, for me anyway. But I'm gonna put some lipstick on now. I am going to use black. Oh my god, I haven't contoured or anything. See, I haven't done a full face of makeup in ages. Right, I'm gonna contour first. I'm gonna use this. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour in the shade Fawn. I've had it since like literally 2016. I've had it a long time and I use it like it's the only contour that I own. This lash still hasn't stuck down. I'm gonna use this blush by Model Co in Peach Bellini. It's just like a peach colour. I'm just going to use the same contour brush because I can't be bothered to find a proper blush brush. What was I about to do before? Oh yeah, lips. I need to highlight as well, but I'll find a highlight soon. So the black lipstick that I'm using is by Kiko. It's in number 15 and it's one of the instant colour matte liquid lip colours. And the wand just looks like this. It's like straightforward really. So I'm just going to apply this. So I'm going to highlight now. I'm going to use this highlighter. It's by NYX and it's called Illuminator in the shade Ritualistic, and it just looks like this. It's just a nice colour. It's so nice. I really like it. So I think this is the makeup done. I really like it. I can't believe I forgot a contour until like near the end. I would apply setting spray, but I don't have it with me. But the setting spray that I do use is Revolution Oil Control setting spray or something like that. I know it's got something to do with oil because I have really oily skin. So yeah, I'll try and list all the products I use down below. Yeah, I really like the finished look. So if you just give me some suggestions of videos I can do and stuff. This video is probably really long because I was rambling, but I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you enjoyed the finished look and maybe recreate it or something. Or just let me know in the comments if you watched it, because I feel like, because I've got like 700 subscribers, but I feel like not everyone will watch my videos anymore because I've been gone for so long. So if you do remember me from like when you first subscribed, thank you. I did used to film my videos over there, but that was when I had a tripod. I still have my tripod, but like I said, I can't film on my camera because of the laptop issue. So this might be my new filming spot. Here's Ariana Grande, and this is from As It Is. It's like a letter they sent me, and like they sent like loads of fans. I don't know where they got the addresses from. It must have been like if you would order merch or tickets or something. But they sent like a letter for when they were gonna start teasing the new album, which came out in August. And then up here is Violet Chachki. I'll show you because I just feel like it. Yeah, there's Violet Chachki, and this is it says Donna and the Dynamos One Night Only, and it's from Mamma Mia. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I really like this look. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video, whatever that may be. Hopefully it'll be soon after this one, but yeah, bye.